How to change the theme of Instagram DMs. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. You will land to the home page. At the top right corner, you can find this messenger kind of icon. Tap on that. With that, you will land to the chat section. Now from here, open any of the DM in which you want to change the theme. Here, I'm going to open this one. After you open it, at the very top, you can see the name of the person. Just tap on it. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Head towards this option of theme. Now from here, you can easily change the chat theme. You're going to get tons of options. Just scroll down. For now, I'm going to select this one, Sky. Now you can go back and check. You can see that I have easily changed the theme of my Instagram DM. Applying the same process, you can change the theme for other Instagram DMs as well. So this is how you can change the theme of Instagram DM. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.